Conrad Kesangma inaugurates Hubert Rosaria Road in Mukaswan. Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh defends YODO market visit, dismissing claims of political motivation. Ribhoy Deputy Commissioner Abhilash Baranwal clarifies KHDC check gate closure. And Same M. Marak makes history at the state-level inter-school athletic meet 2025. The news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Kesangma inaugurated the 1.13-kilometre Hubert Rosaria Road in Mukaswan, West Jaintia Hills, built at a cost of Rs 1.93 crore. The newly constructed road aims to improve connectivity and accessibility to the Hubert Acupressure Centre. Meghalaya has emerged as a leading state in healthcare investment, with over 8% of the annual state budget dedicated to the health sector. The state has sanctioned over Rs 4,000 crore for road projects in the last 7 years, a significant increase from Rs 659 crore between 1991 and 2018. The government plans to support traditional healing practices, integrating indigenous knowledge with formal healthcare delivery. Meghalaya Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh on Tuesday responded to criticisms regarding the recent visit of Chief Minister Conrad Kesangma, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong and himself to YODO market, dismissing claims of political motivation. He pointed out that other parties had also visited the market ahead of district council elections. Lyngdoh announced a government package of Rs 21 crore for the redevelopment of YODO market, but acknowledged that this is only gap funding, with more financial support needed. He urged Hima Millium, which generates revenue from the market stalls, to contribute to the project.
Election. Election jongka ki HDC, but slam Hashwa jongka election shaka assembly. Nakatakaw pimla ban kano bangidan kano ka political motive kapeningkong. Kabaar ni klamlet teli taman shupeni kadur kejongi. Nilai ringkat bat kene ke song tingka kabaar kue kror kabashwa bangin pentreka mereka ni kuat bani I adalah kejongka kemat ki ai ki jingdon kam ki bahmandu jongka yudu.
The Meghalaya government has directed the Urban Affairs Department to find a way to implement 15th Finance Commission grants in urban constituencies. A meeting was held with the 3 autonomous district councils to address the issue. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong stated that while the grants apply to rural constituencies within ADCs, they do not specify implementation in urban areas. He assured that the Urban Affairs Department would soon propose a solution.
To walk out as early as possible so that they can also participate, because you knew well that the 15th Finance Commission is ended up to March 2026. So we have left maybe only few months from now. So we have already told them that to walk out immediately and then make sure that these urban areas elected representatives also are entitled to get this recommended scheme.
Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong announced that the state government has directed all district administrations to detect and arrest illegal immigrants, following instructions from the central government. A task force has also been formed to prevent undocumented individuals from settling in the state. Meanwhile, Tinsong ruled out an inquiry against Deputy Chief Minister Snyabhalhang Dhar, who was accused by HNLC of funding the banned militant group. He stated that the government cannot launch investigations based solely on allegations.
I've already given the direction to all the district commissioners, all the deputy commissioners to crack down wherever they suspect or wherever they receive inputs that they should be arrested immediately. Task force we do already, see if you talk about the district task force, that we already have. I think he has already given the statement that I have no such link or no such payment made, so what else we can do? I think that statement, I stood by his statement, and then if, suppose now, some people or some section people are not happy with that, let them, they are free to find out some more information, whatever they want.
Deputy Chief Minister Prastham Tinsong has assured that the situation at Star Cement remains calm after Sunday's violent incident where over a dozen trucks were set ablaze following a fatal road accident. Security has been strengthened and no further violence has been reported. Regarding the closure of an illegal toll gate operated by KHDC along the National Highway, Tinsong stated that all unauthorized toll gates must be shut down, as they need legal backing to operate. He emphasized that there is no alternative but to enforce the law.
Situation is cool and calm, and the DC is on the job, or SP is on the job. We have already strengthened the security forces over there, and as I said to you, I'm happy today no untoward incidents happen, and I'm very sure maybe within a few days from now everything will be cool and calm into time. My only point here is any toll gate or any check gate, it should be supported by the law. Anything, it should be under the provision of the law. If there is no such law, then there is no way out. We have to dismantle it. We have to close it down.
A new initiative to promote menstrual hygiene and educate schoolgirls on sustainable sanitary solutions was launched today at the DSEO Training Hall. The district-wide School on Menstrual Hygiene Management, organized by Mosoni, Project Bala and the Ribhoi District Administration, aims to provide awareness and reusable sanitary pads to schoolgirls. Deputy Commissioner Shri Abhilash Baranwal, the event's chief guest, highlighted the challenges faced in rural areas, including stigma and financial barriers to menstrual health. He stressed the importance of education and affordable alternatives like reusable pads.
Napkins, whenever the chemist would give it, they necessarily give it in black polythene only so that it is not visible when I was going down. So all those kind of things, they are in common knowledge, and so I also knew it. But simultaneously, these reusable sanitary napkins particularly struck because it's very cost effective. In 300, 400 rupees, even if they have had to purchase it, lasts for around 2 years, man? 3 years. So let's say 3 years. A 300, 500 rupees packet can be used again and again for a period of 3 years, so it hardly comes to around 30 paise or 40 paise per day.
The District Magistrate Srimati A. Kharpor has issued a prohibition order against encroachment along Shillong-Nongstoin-Tura Road, NH44E, following complaints from the PWD Roads National Highway Division, Shillong. Despite multiple warnings, encroachers continue to occupy land within the right-of-way, impacting traffic management and infrastructure development. Invoking powers under Section 163 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023, the order has been enforced ex parte. The administration urges compliance and reaffirms its commitment to maintaining public infrastructure, ensuring smooth and safe transit. Nonknum Island in Meghalaya has become a favorite among tourists with its breathtaking natural beauty and serene atmosphere. A couple from Bangalore who recently visited the island, including Mahesh Ambaji Kadam, praised its unique charm and scenic spots, particularly Waina Falls. The island's stunning landscapes and waterfalls have captivated visitors. The couple appreciated the kindness and welcoming nature of the local residents. Nonknum Island was described as a peaceful and safe place for families.
Meghalaya was one place where we always wanted to, see all the serene nature around. So we are here for almost like 13 days, and we have visited a lot of places around in Meghalaya. And this is our last stop. From here we are going back to Shillong and then Guwahati. So we have seen the longest living routes.
Bridge. Yeah, and Vienna is one of the beautiful waterfall that today we have been here after seeing Fifi waterfall and Krangsuri. But this is really good. I mean, here you can listen to your own breath, and it is just mesmerizing and so calm and peaceful.
Following accusations from Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council executive members that the Ribhoi District Administration disrespected the council by shutting down a check gate at Umdihar, Ribhoi Deputy Commissioner Abhilash Baranwal today clarified that the closure was based on legal provisions, not disregard for KHADC. Baranwal emphasized that the action was taken in compliance with government directives and noted that KHADC's own order prohibits check gates along national highways.
By the work order that KHADC has given to that agent itself. You'll see point number 6, it is clearly mentioned that it cannot be set up on the highway. So even in their own work order, it is mentioned that it cannot be on the highway. And it is also an instruction which we have received from Government of Meghalaya way back in 2021, wherein it was decided in consultation and concurrence with KHADC that no such check gate or toll gate can come up on state PWD roads or national highway. So there is a standing instruction from Government of Meghalaya. Their own order is also saying that it cannot be set up on the national highway. So that is why this gate was closed down.
Laban Moprem MDC Ricky Shulai met with Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma to discuss the possibility of reclaiming army-occupied land within the city. Drawing inspiration from the Indian Army's recent transfer of military land in Aizawl to the Mizoram government, he urged similar efforts for Meghalaya. Shulai specifically highlighted the garrison ground in Laban, which he believes could be converted into a vital sports facility for local youth.
Kata ka jinglong mo jingmi jonga na mantakan ni kamadan cricket ka bagi khot I ha ya ka garrison ground ha po Laban kani kamadan kala surf ya ki Laban Sports Club adu ki por manang hendai wat ngaru kendian sang nang kemau menganang yo ban yalit mari step ban ka football bat kadiru kamadan kabadan history adu kata-kata ka ba lesi mo dengan yo biang ya ka Laban pendon kam kata ka jaka ka heritage ka bangin yo pen snow kini pateng manwan.
The discussion surrounding the introduction of a railway line in Meghalaya remains highly divisive. Albinus Lamurong, former General Secretary of the Khasi Students' Union from Jaintia Hills, has voiced his support for railway connectivity. He argues that improved transport infrastructure would benefit traders by reducing costs and providing better access to markets across India. Lamurong criticized certain political parties for hesitating to engage in discussions within the all-party committee, stating that constructive dialogue is necessary for progress. He also addressed concerns over a potential influx of migrants, suggesting that community-level regulations could mitigate risks.
Haba kawan tu logistik happen haba goti ka transport jong kini ki badan ka transport ki transport ki yang nang tu haba ki wanang te ki kit ka truck hab charge ka bai ka transportation ka hang tu kala ram sa ko le pipet man kan ni ki babun ki kit hab sim happen ki shu mano yap bai ba te kata ngong la da ka train la da ka rail ka wan hang ni hapok jela jong kita ki ing la lai ni ayo ka to ka ba kham piang nama da kawan hanu hapok lokal pai ka kam da rem than ka baikit bai ba kumba kikit na po anting na po asam.
Same M. Marak, representing East Khasi Hills, made history at the state-level inter-school athletic meet 2025 by shattering the under-16 girls' javelin record with a remarkable throw of 31.38 meters. She surpassed the previous record of 28.64 meters set by Wankinsai Perto of West Jaintia Hills District in 2024. Marak's impressive throw earned her a gold medal in the under-16 javelin event. Marak credited the Sports Authority of India, Shillong, for her success, highlighting the institution's crucial role in her athletic journey.
अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और मेहनत करेंगे कोच के साथ करेंगे और क्या खुद से ट्रेनिंग करेंगे मैं यहाँ ग्राउंड में और अच्छा से करेगा नेक्स्ट ईयर भी।
बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। उन्होंने हम स्टार्टिंग में जब किया था तो उसका इतना बेटर नहीं था, जस्ट उन्होंने 25-23 मारा था। हमने 9 मंथ बैक यहाँ पर मैं पोस्टिंग आया था पटियाला से, जो कि नेशनल टीम में वहाँ पर मैं था ट्रेनिंग, और मैं थ्रू इसका ही स्पेशलाइजेशन हूँ। तो यहाँ आने के बाद उनको देखा तो उसके पास जोश और जुनून बहुत था।
And a quick look at the weather report now. First, a look at the report for Tura. The minimum temperature recorded was 22 degrees Celsius, the maximum 30 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 98% and 42.5 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature was 15 degrees Celsius, the maximum 23.2 degrees Celsius, and the relative humidity was 85%. 60 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. Meanwhile, in Jowai, the minimum temperature was 17, the maximum 20 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 69% and 53.5 millimeter of rainfall was recorded. The forecast for Tura, Shillong and Jowai says that light to moderate rain is likely to occur at a few places. And another look at the headlines before we wind up. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurates Hubert Rosario Road in Mukaswan. Tourism Minister Paul Lingdor defends YODO market visit, dismissing claims of political motivation. Ribhoy Deputy Commissioner Avilash Baranwal clarifies KHDC check gate closure. And Sami M. Marak makes history at the state-level inter-school athletic meet 2025. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.